Hi guys, it's Kim again. Today I'm going to show you how to level a car seat with pool noodles. You can use rolled up towels, rolled up receiving blankets, check your owner's manual, most of them say pool noodles. This is if you cannot get it to level out. Unfortunately, I've tried 4 cars. I don't have any cars that this base is not going to be level in, so we're going to pretend it's not level. Like that. See how this green is not fully in between these two lines? It's off because I'm holding it up, but we have to have it like that. So we're going to pretend it's not sitting there and fix it. So for this, I just got plain old pool noodles from Walmart. Cut them in I cut it. You need it to be the distance between the seat belt and the buckle. You also want it to be so you can set it on there. You make it a little shorter if you want, but I make it a little bit bigger, that way I can use it for the next car seat if I have to. I don't like using them, but you have to do what you gotta do to make sure your kid's safe. As you can tell, when I put this in here, with this thing, this seat right here is barely correct, so let's just go with it. So I'm just gonna use 1 pool noodle. You can use up to 3. If you use 3, you wanna stack it in a pyramid like that. So the seat sits on top of it like that. 2 of them, just like that, okay? So we'll use 1, I'll show you what it does. So just putting 1 underneath it makes it right. If you put 2 underneath it, it's almost too far up. So he's gonna be laying back too far. If you get in a car accident, he'd go out the top of it. Could possibly go out the top of it, hopefully not, but we don't wanna risk it. Put 3, this is how you would do 3. I think that the only car that you would need or to do 3 in I could think of is a sports car, because their buckets are weird. They sit back at a weird angle, or some obviously different car seats. But for this car, for this demonstration, we're just going to need 1. Puts it right where I need it to be. And then we're going to buckle it in just like normal. Put it through here. This car seat, like I said, you need to use a lock off. Put it through here. Always check. Yes, this is a truck. People need to put their kids in trucks sometimes, rear facing. Please don't put them rear facing with an airbag. This truck does not have an airbag anywhere in it. It's an old truck. But this is just for demonstration purposes. Please do not leave me a nasty comment about how horrible it is. Thanks. So, again, demonstration purposes, this is a messed up seatbelt buckle, but I'm gonna show you how to do it anyways. That down, lock it off. Moves a little bit, but not much. You can have 1 inch here, not here. This doesn't matter. This is what we're looking at. It's not moving. If you don't like it, you want it tighter, just undo it and redo it. It's fine. Undo it, redo it as many times as you need to make sure your baby is safe. And in this truck, car seat would probably not fit snap-on because of the buckle, but there you go. That's how you level a car seat out with the pool noodles. You can do it with these car seats, the infant car seats, and rear-facing car seats. Forward-facing car seats, you really should have no reason to have to level them out. But if you do, same thing, pool noodles. They're amazing. Get them on clearance at the end of summer, beginning of fall. Thanks, guys. Bye.